If you've been wondering how much Mailchimp costs, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the current Mailchimp pricing plans and show you exactly where to find them inside your account. We'll look at the main plan options, what each one includes, and how to choose the best plan for your needs. If this guide helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Mailchimp in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click on your profile. This is where Mailchimp keeps your account and billing settings. After that, open the pricing plan section. You may see it inside your account area, and this is where you can review the different subscription tiers available to you. Mailchimp usually offers several plans depending on how many contacts you have, how many emails you send, and which features you need. Let's go through the plans one by one. The first plan is Essentials, which starts at $8 per month. This plan includes up to 500 contacts, 5,000 email sends per month, and SMS credits as an add-on if you need them. This is a good option if you're just getting started and want access to the basic tools without paying for advanced features you may not use yet. Next is the Standard plan, which starts at $12 per month. This also supports up to 500 contacts, but it gives you a higher monthly email send limit at 6,000 sends per month. Like the Essentials plan, SMS credits are available as an add-on. This plan is often a better fit if you need more sending capacity and a little more flexibility. Then there is the Premium plan, which starts at $238 per month. This plan is designed for larger businesses and more advanced marketing needs. It supports up to 10,000 contacts and includes up to 150,000 email sends per month. SMS credits are also available as an add-on. This is the most expensive option, but it comes with much higher limits for teams that need scale. Once you've reviewed the pricing, you can choose the plan that best matches your business size and email marketing goals. If you only need the basics, the lower cost plans may be enough. If you're sending a lot of emails or managing a bigger audience, the higher tiers may make more sense. Before you buy, always double check the contact limits, monthly send limits, and any add-ons you might need. That way you avoid surprises later on and make sure you're paying for the right level of service. And that's how much Mailchimp costs and how to find the pricing plans inside your account. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.